Hey guys, this is Avneet Singh and you're watching Tech Milestone. So today we're gonna talk about few of the Google apps that had really useful features that we didn't know about.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Let's check everything out in this video. So let's talk about the first application. So first we have the Google Photos. Yes, Google Photos. It is one of the most installed apps that comes pre-installed in your Android devices, and even you can get it in iOS as well. So what can Google Photos mean to you? Google Photos allow you to back up unlimited photos and videos to Google Clouds so that you can free up the space on your smartphone if you're running out. And also you can edit out a video, like you can rotate a video that you need to do via third-party app, or you can even stabilize the video. So stabilizing a video has been a much improvement for me personally, because if you shoot somewhere outside, you shoot with your bare hands, it is kind of a shivery video. So the Google Photos features of stabilization enables to get a more stable and a better video quality, and also unlimited Google storage for photos. Google Drive. Google Drive is much of the most unused applications that we have installed on many of our smartphones. Google Drive allows us to access to Google Documents, access us to share files up to 15 gigs that's available in your Google account for free. You can upgrade to a new one with Google One. It brings us to the second application, Google Hangout. Google Hangout is an application that allows us to chat with other users whose email ID we have. So Google Hangout is a much better option if you want to go in for professional talks. Next one, we have the Google Play Music. Yes, Google Play Music is one of the most underrated music streaming apps that we have. We usually install some third-party applications like the Ghana, Spotify, or even Hangama Music, Wink Music for Airtel. We use them to stream out the music, but we have this application embedded compulsorily in our smartphone devices to run music. Even it allows you to run music that's already downloaded in your smartphone. Next one, we have the Google Maps. Google Maps undoubtedly are being the highest used, but I want to talk more because Google Maps has now allowed us to even explore out the new cities, which we don't use. We basically use it for navigation purposes, but Google Maps allows us to even explore out new places, go have fun, and based on what are our likings, also giving us some badges about what reviews we give about new places. We also have Google Duo. Google Duo is the most highest quality video calling app, and also we can make normal calls using the Google Duo. I hope
it's time to stop. It's time to stop, okay? No more. Where the fuck are your parents? Who are your parents? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. It's time to stop.
I hope that's very much for this video. I hope you give this video big fat thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Down below, make the red button go gray and press the bell icon to get notified about the new videos. And that's all. See you guys in the next one.